For the most safe and comfortable towing experience, your trailer should always be as level as possible when being pulled behind your tow vehicle. The challenge is that the height of the receiver hitch varies from vehicle to vehicle, and the height of the coupler varies from trailer to trailer. To adjust for this difference, draw-tite offers ball mounts in a variety of different drop and rise configurations. A ball mount placed in the rise position means the height of the ball platform will sit higher than the top of the vehicle's hitch receiver tube opening. This allows the vehicle to hitch to a trailer whose coupler height is higher than the top of the vehicle's hitch receiver tube opening when level. A ball mount placed in the drop position means the hitch ball platform will sit lower than the top of the vehicle's hitch receiver tube opening. This allows the vehicle to hitch to a trailer whose coupler height is lower than the top of the vehicle's hitch receiver tube opening when level. To determine the amount of drop or rise needed for your towing setup, you will need to do some measuring. Make sure that both the tow vehicle and trailer are parked on level ground. Then, measure from the ground to the top of the receiver tube on the tow vehicle. This is your receiver height. Next, level your trailer, then measure from the ground to the bottom of the trailer's coupler. This is your coupler height. If your receiver height is lower than your coupler height, you will be using the ball mount in the rise position. The difference, rounded to the nearest whole number, between your coupler height and your receiver height is how much rise will be required. If your receiver height is higher than your coupler height, you will be using the ball mount in the drop position. The difference, rounded to the nearest whole number, between your receiver height and your coupler height is how much drop will be required. Making sure your setup is level is just one step to help ensure a safe and comfortable towing experience. Always remember that the lowest capacity of any component in the towing system determines the maximum load you can safely tow. For more information on all the great products from draw-tite, visit draw-tite.com. Draw-tite, North America's favorite hitch.